Your brain trusts negative thoughts far more than positive ones. Not because you are weak, broken, or pessimistic. It happens because your brain evolved for survival, not happiness. Think about the last time someone criticized you. One sentence probably stayed in your mind for hours, even if 5 other people praised you the same day. Strange, right? Why does the negative voice win? Most people believe positivity should feel natural. We read books, watch videos, repeat positive affirmations, yet the mind quietly returns to worst-case scenarios again. A job interview tomorrow suddenly feels like disaster already. Your mind whispers, you will probably fail anyway. Oddly, that thought feels safer than hopeful thinking, because pessimism feels like emotional armor for the future. If you expect disappointment, nothing can truly surprise you. But here's the hidden contradiction most people miss. That armor protecting you is also blocking your growth. To understand why, we must travel back thousands of years. Imagine one of your ancestors walking through a forest. Bright fruit hangs peacefully from a nearby tree, but suddenly a shadow moves behind the bushes. If they ignored that shadow, they might not survive. So the brain learned one powerful ancient shortcut. Pay attention to danger first, everything else later. That survival trick slowly became a permanent mental habit. Psychologists call this the negativity bias. Your brain's alarm system sits deep inside the amygdala. Its job is simple: scan constantly for possible threats. And when something negative appears, alarms fire instantly. Positive moments feel pleasant, but rarely feel urgent for survival. But a possible danger demands immediate mental attention. That is why criticism echoes louder than compliments. One harsh comment weighs heavier than 5 kind words. Your brain treats the negative signal like emergency news. Positive feedback feels nice, but rarely feels necessary. Here's what most people never realize though. That ancient survival system still runs your modern thinking. Yet most dangerous today are not lions hiding nearby. They are emails, meetings, deadlines, and imagined judgments. The brain still reacts as if every problem threatens survival, so negative thoughts feel believable, urgent, and strangely trustworthy. But awareness changes everything about this mental pattern. When a negative thought appears, pause for 1 second. Ask yourself a simple but powerful question. Is this a real danger or ancient survival mode? That tiny pause weakens the brain's automatic alarm response. Suddenly, the thought becomes information, not absolute truth. You start seeing negativity as outdated warning signals. Signals designed for survival, not necessarily for modern success. And once you see the pattern clearly, something shifts. Negative thoughts lose some of their automatic authority. You stop believing every dark prediction your brain produces. Instead, you begin balancing them with intentional perspective. Because safety doesn't always mean preparing for failure. Sometimes real growth begins when you question survival instincts. So next time your mind predicts the worst outcome, remember your brain is trying to protect you. But protection is not always the same as truth. And learning that difference might change everything about how you think.